Good day, Sir Madam. I am Fredeline Loñez, 39 years old, a single mother, blessed with two children. My father was deceased and my mother is a plain housewife. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am college level. I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years since 2011 to 2013. I served one couple and three teenagers, ages 13, 17, and 19. I worked in Hong Kong for 6 years, since 2015 to 2021. I served one couple and two teenagers, ages 15 and 19. My main my main my main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and car washing and marketing. To my future employer, I am I promise to do my best to serve your family and promise to finish my contract with you. Thank you, sir, madam. God bless.